In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent text effect in VistaCreate. This effect creates a clean cutout look where your background shows through the letters, making headlines feel modern and eye-catching. Start by opening your browser and heading to VistaCreate's homepage. Once you're in, pick any design format or template that suits your project. It could be a social post, a poster, a thumbnail, anything you're working on. Choosing a template with a bold photo or colorful background will help the transparent text pop. With your canvas open, click on any text element in your design. You can select a headline that's already on the template or any text layer you've added beforehand. Make sure the text is selected so the editing options appear. Look for the effects controls in the text toolbar. Open the effects panel to see styling options. First, choose outline. This is where the transparent text look starts to take shape. Turn on the transparent text switch inside the outline settings. When it's enabled, the fill disappears and the background becomes visible through the characters, while the outline defines the shape of your text. Adjust the outline thickness and color to balance readability with style. A slightly thicker outline often helps when your background is busy. Next, move to the shadow section in the same effects panel. Turn on transparent text here as well. This keeps the knockout effect while adding depth, which can make the letter stand out without bringing the fill back. Tweak the shadow blur, distance, and angle to create a soft lift that separates the text from the background. Keep it subtle so the focus stays on the transparent look. Now open the text box effect. If your text sits inside a box or label, enabling transparent text here creates a clever cutout inside that shape. Turn the toggle on and adjust the box color and padding so the effect feels intentional. This is especially helpful when the background image is complex and you want a cleaner frame without losing the transparent punch. Finally, click on Reflection. Use the transparency control to dial in a reflection that complements the overall style. A light, low opacity reflection can add polish without competing with the main headline. Keep it consistent with your layout and lighting. That's it. By combining outline, shadow, and text box with the transparent text toggles and fine-tuning reflection transparency, you'll achieve a crisp, professional transparent text effect in VistaCreate that's both readable and striking.